Rhonda, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm just going to be throwing together something really quick, and that is a good old pasta salad. Who don't like a good pasta salad, right? I'm actually making this. Tomorrow is Easter, so happy Easter everybody. And I just thought, well, I'm going to throw this together. I might as well just show you how I do it. I know y'all are probably hard at it tonight, making all your little goodies and getting your meal prepared for tomorrow. But I just thought I'd jump on real quick and just give you the lowdown on this good old Italian pasta salad. Now, this salad is good for just about any occasion, and that is the truth. You can take it to baby showers, you can take it to family reunions, to church socials, to just anywhere. And I've always, I took it to work a few weeks ago, and everybody has always enjoyed it. Normally somebody's asking what is the recipe, and I say, honey, listen, it is just so simple, you ain't gonna believe it. So the main thing with this pasta salad is going to be what kind of meats you want in it. Now for mine, I normally do just some cooked ham, some sliced ham, sandwich ham, and some hard salami and some pepperoni. It's your pasta salad. You can put whatever you want in it, but those three types of meat are really good in it. I'm also going to put some bell pepper. I'm going with red. It's according to what color you want in it. We do have red tomatoes, and just to be honest, if I had a green bell pepper, I'd probably went with the green because we've already got some little red tomatoes. Because you want this to be very vibrant and colorful. And I have just got tomatoes, and I've got some little red onion. I don't like a huge abundance of it, but it just does something. The flavor, it just enhances that flavor with this. And I have got some pepper jack cube cheese. I've already tried it. I don't know about y'all, but I used to always taste the kids' stuff, and I said, oh, mama's got to make sure it's okay on anything good. And so I have tasted this, and it is, I approve. I've also got some Colby Jack cheese. Now, I also like the little mozzarella balls in this. That is really good, but it's not what I had on hand, and so I can't show you that rightly, can I? So that is all this is, and I have already cooked my pasta. I just used the tricolor rotini pasta. Now some people like theirs al dente, some people like it a little softer. So honey, just however your heart likes your pasta, just do it to it, okay? I'm kind of in between on mine, especially for a cold pasta. So I'm going to start chopping up the meat. I've already took my tomatoes. I've already washed these and everything, and I just split these right in two. But I'm going to just get everything cut up, throw it in this salad. I'm telling y'all, this is just genius for a shortcut on a recipe. If you need something quick and you've worked all day and you got to take something for tomorrow, hey, this is the one you want right here, okay? So let me show you how I put it together. All right, y'all, I have washed and cleaned my tomatoes, and I'm just going to show you simple. I just split them right down the middle. I went ahead and prepared most of them because y'all don't want to stand here and watch me slice and dice, as I have always said. Cut that little bit of time off for you. All right, it doesn't take but a minute. You can use whatever kind of tomatoes you want. It's good, trust me. All right, got the tomatoes. Now I've got my little bell pepper here, and I just cut them in little pieces. I'm gonna use my handy dandy chopper here because it does make things so easy. And you can take some aggression out on it. You would like this, Russell. You would like this part. All right. It's loud.
It is.
It is loud, but look how quick that is done. That is, look there, all there is to it. All right, got my peppers ready to go. I've already cubed my cheese, just little pieces, however big you want them. And I do have the 2 types of cheese. Now I'm just gonna slice these, this meat here. And you can slice it any way you want to, nothing fancy. I'm just gonna do mine in little strips. Little strips. And you can double this recipe, make you a big old pan of it, or you don't have to make this much. You can do a half a box and just reduce it. It's according to how much meat you like in yours, how much cheese. There's really nothing to it with the measurements. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and drop these in here. Blup, 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 blup. Before we cut the pepperoni. If you don't like salami, hey, you don't have to do it. You can do ham and turkey if you want to, really. But for the Italian, I think these meats really are good in this salad. Brings out the flavors. It's just delicious. Y'all see what kind of dressing I'm using here? Just some good old Olive Garden dressing. You can make your own, but Olive Garden has done it for you. So that dressing is really good on this salad. All right. She's sliding away from me, getting away. All right, we're gonna put these in here.
Looking good.
Looking good, looking good. All right, now just some ham. I didn't get no expensive ham, y'all. I just did some ham. Whatever kind of meat you like. Uh-oh, about knocked my peppers over. Bless it. I hope y'all are going to have a great Easter. Enjoy it with family. All right, we're going to put this little ham in there.
She's looking good.
She is looking good. And I have washed my hands, y'all, so no worries there. All right, so we got our ham, our salami, and our pepperoni in there. Let's just scoot that out of the way. Now, the rest of it, just dump and go. I'm gonna put my big old pan right here, and we're just gonna put these tomatoes in here. Yummy, yummy. And some pepper jack cheese. Now I've got 8 ounces of each cheese. You may not want that much cheese. Listen, I love me some cheese. Me and cheese are good friends.
Y'all are buddies.
We are BFFs, like with bread.
Yeah.
Right up there with the bread. We are BFFs.
If you had to like, for the rest of your life,
yes,
do without cheese or bread.
Oh, that's a hard one. I'd have to go, I can't do without bread.
So you'd have to
I'd have
no
to,
cheese the rest of your
no cheese. I'd find.
Not do that.
I would find.
I would go bread, y'all.
Oh no.
I would have to eliminate the bread.
No, we'd have to find something else to go on our pizza. But I'm gonna have that dough, honey. I'm gonna have that dough.
Yeah.
All right, we got just a little bit of red onion. Now we are just gonna shake this up. Oh, my peppers. Lord, keep me on track now. Keep me on track. Long.
Yeah.
Some good old red peppers. It is. I said I should have went with some green pepper instead. Do you? And it's fragrant. It's very fragrant. I know you said the onions were strong, but it works really good together. It really does. All right. Now, the thing about this pasta salad, these noodles, this pasta will soak up this dressing. So if you put too much on it, listen, don't you worry, because you'll probably have to, especially if you set overnight, you'll probably need to add just a little bit more to it. But I'm just going to go in here with this. And I normally use almost the whole bottle, and then in the morning, if it sits, I just finish it out and dump it on there. Look at that, y'all. Look, look, look. It is so good. So good. I took this to work a few weeks ago, and I brought back an empty bowl.
You didn't come home.
No, I brought back an empty bowl. It's good. And right now, with summer on the way, listen, this is great if you want something light, or like I said, at parties and get-togethers, picnics. This is delicious.
That would be a great dish.
It is delicious. It really is. Look at that. And it's very filling. You got all your meat in there. Now, if I had some fresh parsley, I'd put that on there, but I'm going to just do a little sprinkle of Italian seasoning on it and a little sprinkle of parsley, some dried parsley. Just a little bit. That's going to add just a little bit of green in there. But you got your green pasta as well. And I'm going to put some black pepper too, because y'all know how I roll. Y'all know by now, y'all got to have some black pepper. I'm just going to stir that up real good. And I have saved, I put almost the whole bottle. I've saved maybe about a half a cup of this in here. And tomorrow I'll just go right in there and add that in there. And just let it get real happy. And it gets real happy in the refrigerator overnight. It's really good. All these flavors just come together so good. And the cheese don't get all gooey and stuff, so no worries there. All right, y'all, look how quick that is. Just so simple.
It looks good, yeah.
When you don't have any time, then this is what you need to do. What you need to do, just whip it up real quick. All right, Russell, you gonna taste it?
Yeah, I'll taste it.
He's gonna taste it.
It's not, pasta salad is not my thing.
It is not really his thing.
We'll see how it goes. It looks good and smells good, so I like all the ingredients. So
yeah, it's really good. It's good. All right, we'll come back with the taste. All right, y'all. I was going to say Russell's favorite time, but he's less excited about this. But come on, Russell. He's going to be a good sport and give this a little taste.
Hey there, YouTube land.
This is normally one of his dishes. He just passes on by, ain't it?
Normally so.
To be honest.
Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of cold pasta.
No.
I don't know.
He's his meat and taters kind of guy.
I like warm pasta.
He likes spaghetti. Well, I mean, that's your warm pasta.
Well, I like all, like the little curlies. I like those too, as long as they're warm and got some good sauce on them. That's you know.
Yeah.
Normally the cold is not my thing, but
this is good though. If you're hot, been working outside, or went for a walk or a hike or something, this is really refreshing.
Everything that's in this.
Okay.
So, I'm big on textures, y'all. We've talked about this in other videos.
Textures.
Yeah, it's a texture thing. Just the coldness of the... Now, if you put those ingredients over some lettuce, it will be an empty plate, 100%, no doubt about it.
Good salad.
Yeah, it'd be a good salad. I wouldn't have no trouble. But
it's going to be good with the pasta.
I'm a team player.
Yeah.
In honor of the basketball tournament this weekend. Hey, them Clemson Tigers, go Tigers tonight. Got a chance to go to the Final Four for the very first time.
You probably just jinxed them.
Hey, listen, it's already a free roll. I expected them to lose in the first round, so they still around, they still playing. Yep. So I'm going to enjoy it. It ain't happened since 1980.
Yeah.
I was a little bitty rascal last time it happened. Anyway,
go ahead, carry on.
Clemson Tigers. Let me. It's good.
It's good, ain't it?
Yeah, really good.
It's good. It's refreshing. And I will tell you, I don't like olives. There's two things in that I know of as far as food goes, because I'm not picky, and that is liver and olives. That's the only two things, and I will eat olive, but I don't love it. But that's about the only two things I can think of that I don't like. But if you love olives, I'm sure this olives is really good in this with the Italian
I wouldn't
thing.
like it as much after it's sat.
You don't think
After
so?
it's cold.
It's even better.
This is warm temperature, room temperature noodle.
Yeah.
It's great. That tastes delicious.
I think it's even better the next day.
Well, I might even try it.
Yeah,
You got a big old pot.
We got a big bowl. We got a big bowl of it. Now, this was one whole box of pasta almost. We're going to use that whole bottle of Italian dressing and just whatever meat and vegetables you want in it. This
It's good,
is
y'all.
super
That's good.
simple.
It's
Super
very good.
simple.
Very good flavors.
Yeah, and you don't have to cook the big old honking box. You can, you can just do a little bit.
You don't know portion size.
Well,
We got a big family.
We do.
And it's normally a pretty big size meal.
We do.
Yeah. But
Yeah,
it's okay.
It's all right.
I like leftovers.
Listen, I'll take this to lunch.
Yeah,
I will.
Hey, we don't
It
throw
will
no food
get.
out, I can tell you that.
It's gonna
Old
get.
Dan, he'll come by and get some.
He will. Him and they gonna come by tomorrow.
Yeah, they'll be here tomorrow.
Our
They'll
little
get ate up. Ain't
little
no doubt.
babies is gonna be here for Easter, so can't wait for that. So excited on all the little babies.
Yeah.
All the little sugar boogers. But anyway, y'all try this.
That's simple
super
as it gets
simple.
right
It
there.
is. It's
That's as
just a
simple as
dump
it
and go.
gets. Yeah.
You get those noodles boiled, and that's it. Just some salt water with the noodles.
Oh, it tastes good. The noodles taste good.
It's good. It's
Yeah,
really good.
very good.
Give it a try. I want to say thank y'all. We hit another milestone.
Yeah.
5,000 subscribers, y'all.
great. She's doing great.
5,000.
So proud of her.
Who'd have thunk anybody
I
would?
thought. I was pretty confident in it, actually.
He has been, but anyway, I'm excited for that.
Yeah,
and
thank every one of
thank
y'all.
y'all so much.
Every
It is
single one of
so
you that takes the
exciting.
time out of your day.
Yes.
We appreciate it 100%.
All the support that we
Yes,
got.
yep.
Yep. And I don't ever want to not be grateful for
That's
that.
right. We're going to be grateful for every one of you. Every single
yes.
person. Every one.
Yep. Anyway, just want to say that before we go. I hope y'all have a happy
Yes,
Easter.
happy Easter.
Easter will be past when you see this.
Yeah, it will.
So I hope you had a happy Easter.
Yes.
And enjoy your family and have a great week.
Yeah.
Till next time.
Peace.